Okay, now you should have seen the video and you will realize that yes, okay, your alkali metals are easily cut and they are also quite reactive. Okay, now let's move on to more physical properties. Some of the other physical properties such are low melting and boiling point. You must be thinking, hey Joe, how come all of the melting and boiling point is like, okay, well, quite high, especially boiling point is like hundreds or thousands. When we talk about low melting and boiling point, this is actually relative to other metals, okay, or to other compounds, to other metals / compounds. Okay, now in our human eyes, this may look like very very small numbers, but this may look like very big numbers. In actual fact, these are small numbers to all the other metals and compounds. Okay, so you can see here, lithium, melting point 180, not too bad, boiling point 1330, wow. However, as it goes down, you can see the melting point, okay, this is actually period 2, period 3, period 4, and period 5. As it goes down the period, it goes down the group, okay, from period 2 to period 3, period 4, period 5, all in group 1, the melting point decreases, the boiling point also decreases. Okay, next up, we also know that it has low density. Okay, look at all of this here. Normally you'll think that the metal will float on water. Metal will sink in water. However, look at these densities over here. They are less than 1. So these guys here, lithium, sodium, and potassium, they will float on water. Okay, because they are all less than 1. Okay. Generally, low density, low melting, and boiling point. So next up, we also talk about the trend here. Okay. Oh, this is what I talked about just now. Oops. But never mind. Let's talk about it. Okay, melting and boiling point decreases down the group. Okay, I don't like the arrow here. Let's delete this. Let's draw it the other way around because it decreases down the group. Okay, down the group, the boiling point decreases. However, the density increases down the group. So this one, melting point, decrease. This one, boiling point, decrease. This one, density, increase. So just take note of this here. Okay, as it goes down the group, melting point decrease. Goes down the group again, boiling point decrease. But as it goes down the group, the density will increase. Okay, so just take note of these trends. Now, think about it. Okay, actually they ask you predict the melting point of cesium. This number is not supposed to be here, but because I did not activate my PowerPoint, so that's why the numbers are here. In actual fact, if you predict the melting point of cesium, you realize, oh, there's a downward pattern. Melting and boiling point decreases down the group. So this guy here, the number should be less than 38. Just need to give a figure that's below 38 and you're safe. Okay, questions like this may come out. So you do not say that it's less than 38, you give a rough figure, estimate. So in actual fact, you can say cesium melting point, 29, 28, 25, around less than 38, but not too ridiculously low, okay? So 29 is a good number. It's actually the melting point of your cesium. Now, okay, the next part we're going to go into the chemical properties. But before that, let's look at what we have gone through for physical properties. Okay, we talk about it, soft and easily cut, silver and shiny, highly reactive, good conductor of heat and electricity. Okay, yes, low melting and boiling point, low density, and we talk about the trends we see for the physical property. Melting and boiling point decreases down the group, density increases down the group. Okay, so that's all for your physical properties. Next up, we'll be going on to chemical properties.